San Francisco 911, what's the exact location of the emergency?
Hi, I'm in my backyard, and there is a neighbor with a gun yelling at our kids to be quiet.
Okay, where's that neighbor located?
He is I don't know how to say it, but basically horizontally to the back of my house. If you guys come through my backyard, you'll see where he is. So my neighbor is directly to our backyard.
Let me get the officers going. Bear with me, okay?
Yeah, get to the front of the house. I don't want you near the gun.
Did you see the gun?
Yeah, we all saw the gun.
Was it a handgun, long, big gun? What type of gun?
Handgun. It's a handgun.
Okay, and what happened?
He's just telling our kids who are playing in their own backyard to shut the fuck up, and he has a gun and he's wheeling it around. So I asked my husband to go talk to him because I didn't see his gun at first, and then we went over there and talked to him, and he's wheeling the gun around. Like, all of our kids are under 4 playing right here.
Level 3, A221, 41st, crossing Lincoln and Irving. 11, David. The RP doesn't know the neighbor's exact address, but the neighbor is yelling at RP's kids to be quiet with a gun.
Hello?
Hi, is this...
Yes.
Hi, my name is Austin. I'm San Francisco Police Department. We are around the corner, but before we try to make contact with you, we just want to make sure that this person that you saw with a gun is... do you still see this person? Did they go back inside the house?
I'm going to give you the phone to my husband. He was talking.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, my name is Officer Sakiyama. I'm responding to your call at 41st. Before we make contact with either yourself or the person, your neighbor, I just want to make sure that, do you still see this person in your backyard area, or did they go back inside?
No, so he's on his side of the fence, right? It's not in my backyard, but our backyards are almost kind of diagonally across.
Do you still see him?
He went back in his house right now.
Okay. Do you know...
We also went inside because we didn't took the kids inside because we don't,
Okay.
Just in case this guy's crazy enough to shoot it,
Have you ever had any contact or any issues with this person?
Nah.
Okay.
Never. And then he was yelling at the kids. We went to the corner, me and my brother went to the corner market to get something, and my wife called me. She's like, some guy's cussing at the kids for making noise. And I'm like, what?
Okay, and did either yourself or your wife physically see this person with a gun?
I saw them, yeah.
Okay. Can you describe the gun or anything that you
It's a
remember?
black, it looks like, I think, like a 9mm.
Okay. Was he at any point, was he pointing that gun at your direction, your children's direction, or your yard?
They're currently showing.
So he started waving it at us, right?
Something like that.
Kind of waving, when you say something no, somebody kind of with your finger, but it was the gun, he was doing that.
Okay, can you describe what he looked like?
The white male, kind of balding on the top. He wearing a green shirt and he wearing brown, corduroy pants, I think.
How long ago did you see him?
Literally just 10 minutes ago. And now we're inside the house, so I haven't gone back out in the yard yet.
Got it. Okay. All right. We will make contact. So if you hear a knock on your door in a few minutes, that's going to be us. We just have to formulate a plan, just in case if you're still in the area. Okay. Hey, do you want to go contact on that side? Yeah. And then I'll make contact here. We'll isolate him.
Go get in the car.
And then we'll go from there. From the video.
Sit in the truck.
Okay, and all the doors are open for the backyard, still good?
Yeah, I'll walk you real quick.
Okay. I actually just
don't open this door because this door, my dogs are in there.
Okay, that's okay. But he's directly behind.
So I'll show you right now, right? So inside the house, right?
With all the trees?
Yeah, with all the trees. So,
right down here.
So look, right there he's right there. See right there, looking green? You see him?
Okay, he's looking over.
He's looking over there right now. I don't know what he's doing over there.
He's right there, he's got the gun.
Yeah, he's still got the gun. You see him? You can see the gun clear as day.
Ida 13 David, code 33. We need to isolate him in the house. Okay, wait in your car.
Cal, where's the other dog?
No, leave the dogs in the room. Leave the dogs in the room. She got the phone. You got the phone.
The house, 1262 41st Avenue. We're going to be at 41st Avenue. We're going to attempt to gain a view code.
Hey, One Dragon, you're going to have a better view on your side. So he still has a 221. He's looking on the south side of the fence line. He looks like by himself, and I don't think he's made aware of our presence yet. 13 David, I'll take some outside minutes.
Hey, does he live there? Do you guys know him?
So yeah, he lives there. He lives there. I mean, I'm pretty sure.
Did
Do you have the address of that yet?
I don't know.
Yeah, here, I'll show you again.
Is there a terrible 100 notch that
So he's looking over, so I don't know what the...
If you had a 101 on 97. And if you had a 101 terror station.
All right, dispatch. He's gonna be a white male, 3540. He's got green shorts, green shirts, corduroy pants. He is looking over the fence line to the house or south of the objective. I don't think he's made aware of our presence, but we might need to have someone go contact the residents to let them know just to shelter in place or to get him out of there. I have visual from the 909's house. Ida 13 David, is there anyone on the 40th Street or 40th Avenue side?
Any units on the 40th Avenue side?
Yeah, I don't think he's made aware of our presence yet.
If you had a 101, if you get some of the 40th Avenue side, you can see what kind of visual you can get from that end.
Ida 13 David, any update on a drone?
What?
Phoenix 4, do you have an update? A 5 over 8 to the units on scene. If you want to pull up the PFR feed, you confirm the suspect's wearing a green shirt.
A4, he's a green shirt in the backyard between 40th and 41st. I have visual from him from the 909's house. He is looking over a fence facing the south side of the objective house.
We have a big PA at the station, right?
We do.
If you had a 101,
that's terrible.
If you could get the PA thing at the station, maybe speak to them from a safe spot.
Robert 13 is a registered at that address who owns a shotgun and a 9mm shield pistol.
Hey, what's up? Like the PA, like.
I did 200 clear in the range. I'm gonna head out to the 221 call.
Talk to someone. Okay.
Hey, that 5 robber unit,
Hey,
can
come
you
to the
do a cal photo and email it to me? I can't look at my phone right now. And I'll give you confirmation if that's him or not.
Hey, Stocky, Fox is emailing you now.
Copy. Dispatch is an update. He's still looking on the south side of the objective backyard. He's looking over the fence. He's still isolated. It seems like he's waving his hands or talking to someone. I don't know if he's talking to himself, but he's still isolated. Says I got an email.
Hey, 5 Robert 8, yeah, he's looking at the drone and he's got the gun in his right hand.
My idea is to try and talk to him from here.
Looking at the drone, has the gun in his right hand.
And see if he'll drop the gun and surrender.
Okay.
What do you think of that idea, or do you have other ideas?
Spec. Just have him take over, though. Or, like, for me, like, I don't think we have enough, I don't know what resources we have so far.
Yeah.
So I'm here by myself.
Don't know if you have good eyes on him.
Only his right hand.
I'm going to shift over to him.
What's up?
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Shot towards the air.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Shots fired towards the air. Shot himself in the arm. Shot himself in the arm.
Drop the gun! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
And shots.
Get on the ground!
Subject's not cooperating.
Get on the ground!
Shots fired. He is or is not cooperating?
He's on the ground.
Arresting's moving in. On the ground, resting in.
Donald, do you have good eyes on him?
Only right.
I'm going to shift over towards you.
Papa.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Behind you. Yeah.
Drop the gun! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Shots fired.
Get on the ground!
Cooperating.
Get on the ground!
He's on the ground. He's on the ground.
Subject's on the ground. The rest is coming in.
If he drops it, Sarge, what are we gonna do?
What's that?
If he drops it?
We should still stand by because
Okay, wait a minute.
he just shot towards the air.
He shot himself. He shot himself.
Looks like he just shot himself in the arm.
Get on the ground! Now! Police!
Get on
the ground!
Get on the ground!
Hands in the air! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do not reach for the gun!
Lay flat on your stomach!
Do not move!
Stay on your back! Stay on your back!
Do not move. My arm is like, whoa, dude.
Relax.
Dude, no, they're like, you can
Right there.
cuff me, bro.
Over there.
Ah, my arm is bleeding out, dude. I swear to God.
I didn't need to
Please, God, dude. Seriously,
There's the gun
It's right there.
swear to fucking God.
Give me a tourniquet. Give me a tourniquet.
Ah, I'm gonna die. Okay, thank you.
You're not gonna die.
Yeah, I'm going to die. Help me, please. Help me.
We're helping you. We are helping you.
Tourniquet. Okay, good. Yeah. Dude, my arm is like off like entire time. Please help.
Gun's over here.
Hey,
Somebody stay with the gun.
I got it.
dude, it's fine, dude. Like,
Keep an eye on the house. There we go.
by the way, it's actually fine. The guys in the other house over there, they are like they are bad. They are bad people. Oh my God! Stop! There!